Cursor just dropped a clean signal about where coding is headed. We'll watch the launch post, translate the hype, then check the product demo. Quick note, ConductorOSS.com works across the major coding agents, fully local in the current setup.
Coding is changing, and it's changing for the better. The gap between imagination and reality is shrinking to an instant, and it's because coding agents are getting so good. They're getting smarter, they're getting faster, and so that's why we're excited to announce Cursor 3. It's a home for your agents, and it combines the power of a professional development environment, language servers, files, remote SSH, with all of the models, and the ability to run as many agents as you want anywhere, either quickly on your computer, or you can hand off entire projects to agents that run in the cloud.
In the new Cursor, the way you build software is you're talking to agents. You have all of your agents in one place. You can look at changes, you can test them out, and then take them all the way to a merged PR. You can dive deep when you really need to, looking at changes, clicking around, going to definition. Probably the most exciting part is that local and cloud are really, really seamless. You can pull an agent locally, you can iterate with it, and then zap it back up into the cloud when you want to let it work on its own. It's really fun to work with agents locally, but then at the end of the day, you want to be in a Zen state where you're interacting with all these different agents that are running on different machines.
We announced Cloud a month ago, where agents can now run code end-to-end with their own sandbox and work on full projects. We announced Composer 2 a couple of weeks ago, which is a frontier model with incredibly high limits and very quick speeds. And now we have Cursor 3 out into the world. And so with these pieces together of model, product, and runtime, we're excited to build toward a world where agents really feel like colleagues, and where you can build anything you like on a computer instantly.
The big thesis is simple. Agents are no longer being pitched as autocomplete. They're being pitched as active contributors that plan, edit, test, and hand back work for review. That is the real shift behind this launch. When they say Cursor 3 is a home for your agents, that is the key phrase. They are selling a control plane, not a single assistant. Real files, diffs, navigation, SSH, and multiple agents in one environment. That is where the market is going. The local and cloud handoff is the strongest part of the story. If you can move an agent from your machine to a remote runtime without friction, you collapse a lot of coordination cost. The weak part is the instant build language. This is not magic. It is faster orchestration.
So Jonas, what are we launching today?
We gave Cursor agents their own computers, and now they can test their changes and come back with a video recording of what they worked on.
Let's take a look at what that actually looks like. So here's an agent that we kicked off. This was sometime a couple weeks ago when we were launching our long-running agents. So we needed to make sure that users could configure how long these long-running agents run for. So we needed a picker, and we gave it some instructions. Later, it came back with a video.
And so here it's using mouse and keyboard like a human. And after it implemented the code, front end, back end, strung it through, whatever, it is testing to make sure that it works, and also recording it so that you can see that it works.
I can just watch this video in a few seconds. I've evaluated the work product. I've not looked at any code, and I know that it has a working feature.
One of the other things that is really fun, actually, is that it's another shift to us working at a higher level of abstraction.
One thing that we do a lot ourselves is run multiple models on a single prompt. I thought it'd be cool if the videos had a little brand tag on them. So I can go look at Opus's output, watch its video. It has this terminal here, and it's doing something. Okay, that definitely did not look like what I want. This would be good, maybe in Berlin this would work.
Strobing, okay.
Okay, let's see how Codex 5.3 did. Okay, that
looks pretty good.
And there we go.
Ship it. My to-do list has become shorter, and the list of agents that I need to review has become longer. And so I just spend more time thinking about, is this something I want to merge, rather than is this something that is worth trying at all?
It's a lot more fun than reviewing code, is reviewing ideas.
And this second clip is the important follow-up. Cursor is not just talking about agents in the abstract. They are showing a tighter review loop. The agent implements a feature, uses the product like a human, records the result, and hands back a demo video. That is a much better artifact than a raw diff, because you can judge the outcome before you read the code. That is the signal. Multi-agent software work is becoming normal, and the real competition is around orchestration. If you want the local first side of that trend, check ConductorOSS.com and the Conductor OSS repo. Current setup works across the major coding agents, fully local.